Indra Group had been growing rapidly, but its technology infrastructure hadn't kept pace. Employees often work remotely, especially during business trips or while collaborating with external contractors. However, the company relied on public cloud storage and unsecured connections for accessing files and communicating with team members. During a major project for a high-profile client, an employee working remotely connected to a public Wi-Fi network at a cafe to access a shared document from Indra Group HQ. Unfortunately, a cybercriminal managed to capture unencrypted network traffic. Since the device sends a request to access a shared file, the source IP address, the laptop or device, will be visible in the captured packet. This allowed the cybercriminal to intercept the connection. Sensitive project files, including confidential client data, were stolen. A few days later, all of the stolen data were leaked online. A sudden data leak has alerted IT team. Concerned, they gathered to discuss a solution to the company's data leak. One of the employees in the meeting room suggests to implement virtual private network on Indra Group. Now, everyone have heard about VPN, but not everyone know what is VPN and how do its function. Virtual private network, or known as VPN. How does the presence of a VPN ensure the company's security? First, we need to understand how hack happened. If employees access company resources over unsecured public networks, such as Wi-Fi hotspots without a VPN, cybercriminals could intercept sensitive data using MITM attacks. Now, how does the existence of VPN can prevent it from happening? VPN create a single private connection tunnel while using the internet. When established, a VPN acts like a direct connection to a private network. The VPN secures the connection between the employee and the company's network. This prevents MITM attacks. So, how can Indra Group decide the right types of VPN to ensure an outsider can't access the company's data at all? First, we have the Remote Access VPN. This type is designed for individuals working remotely, in which it have two types, client-based and clientless. Using client software such as OpenVPN, employees can connect securely to their company's network from anywhere in the world. All data traveling between the employee's device and the company network is encrypted, ensuring privacy and security even on public Wi-Fi. Next, we have the site-to-site VPN. This type is used to securely connect multiple office locations to the main corporate network. They provide a constant, always-on connection, making them ideal for large organizations with multiple branches. Usually, site-to-site IPsec is used for securing enterprise traffic across the internet. Finally, DMVPN, Dynamic Multipoint VPN, enables on-demand connections between branch offices, using a central hub for setup, but allowing direct tunnels between branches for faster communication, reducing latency and improving efficiency. Let's take a closer look at the protocols they use. VPN protocols define how data is encrypted and transmitted securely. Both IPsec and SSL can secure various application layer protocols. IPsec works at the network layer and secures all IP traffic. SSL works at the transport layer and is commonly used with HTTP, HTTPS, SMTP, and FTP. VPNs are crucial for secure communication, and as technology evolves, they continue to adapt to meet the demands of a more complex digital landscape. The future of VPNs goes beyond just encrypting data. The next-gen VPN will offer zero-trust policy, policy-based access control, AI-powered threat detection, and adaptive encryption. But how do these VPNs fit into everyday usage? To what extent is VPN usability relevant to employees working remotely or branch offices connecting securely? A VPN acts like a privacy shield, encrypting your internet traffic. Encryption ensures that even if someone tries to intercept your data, it remains unreadable and secure. It also capability to bypass restriction. With a VPN, you can access region-specific content as if you were in that location. Like any technology, VPNs bring incredible benefits but also come with a few challenges. VPNs come with a cost saving, as it giving you a strong connection at lower price. It's scalable, meaning you can easily add more user. Last, VPNs are compatible with devices and networks. However, VPNs can also reduce the speed of data transfer, and once the server goes down, all connected user lost access. With VPN client software, employee can connect their laptop to a public Wi-Fi to access shared file from Indra Group. Testing security can be made by Monitor Wireshark to ensure traffic is encrypted.